Let's explore how employees can use Tidydays HR for daily attendance, leaves, and time off. Login and dashboard. Once you log into your Tidydays account, you'll be greeted with your main dashboard. If you're working remotely, you can easily self-check in and check out from here. You can also use the team board to see your team's attendance status, who's present, on leave, or running late. Applying for leave from Quick Links. To apply for leave, open the Quick Links menu at the top right corner. Select Leave Request to open the Leave Request pop-up. Here, you can view your leave stats, including total leaves taken and remaining. Choose your absent type, select the leave category, pick your dates, and fill in any remarks. Once everything looks correct, click Create to submit your leave request. Viewing your attendance report. To check your own attendance, go to My Profile and open the Attendance tab. You'll see a daily, date-wise breakdown of your check-in and check-out times. At the top, you can also view your total working days, present days, and absent days. If you notice any mistakes, click the Action button to request a time adjustment with the corrected check-in or check-out time. Managing time off. Under My Profile, go to the Time Off tab. Here, you can view all your leave records in detail. Use the filters available in the My Leave section to sort or search based on your needs. And that's how you manage your attendance, leave requests, and time off, all from your Tidydays employee account.